look like pollen grains as I walk through this lane. Above my head I see a plane, and I think that I miss you again. It's 4 AM and it's raining and I'm still singing. My phone's not beeping yet, I'm not sleeping yet. Been doing this for days, for weeks, months, or probably a year. I'm not wishing for you to suddenly appear. I just want to send you a song for you to stay strong. Trust me, it won't be too long before things that were wrong to be right. And one day you'll see light. I may not be with you, and I don't know what you're going through, and our words may have only been a few, but I guess you know that I really miss you. Streetlights look like pollen grains as I walk through this lane. Above my head I see a plane, and I think that I miss you again. And streetlights look like pollen grains. I'm seeing miracle without my spectacles. So this heart is skeptical, hardened by so many obstacles. Yet tonight I'm seeing beauty in the streetlights. I know somewhere else you're witnessing the same sight, and I pray for you that everything's alright. Because once when I felt invisible, you were there telling me I can do the impossible. When I had a great train of emotions running through my veins, so hard to explain, I thought I was insane. But your prayers sustained and refrained me from doing stupid stuff when things got tough. So spread in the wind like pollen grains, grow in the fields once again. Climb our tree of memories, maybe I can meet you there, my friend. Streetlights look like pollen grains, and I think that I miss you again.